Hey there, my fellow growers. Today I have something epic to share with you. But first, I want to just thank you. I want to thank you for your overwhelming support. The love and admiration you've shown me has truly melted my heart. Comparing me to Bob Ross or Mr. Rogers is truly an honor. Check it out, we got a little baby lizard here. Hey, buddy, what you doing hanging out on my banana? Keep on living, man. And speaking of honors, this is where I become honored yet again because yours truly has been invited to be a gardening ambassador for the team over at Epic Gardening. And yes, we're talking about that Epic Gardening. Now, I hold Kevin and his team in high regard because his goals align with my own. And that's all about helping you be the best gardener that you can be. Will that change things around here at Urban Gardening with Gray? No, not at all. I'm still going to be helping you and assisting you with your garden with any of your questions and or concerns. But now, that means I'll also be able to share with you some of the cool products that they have over at Epic Garden and even offer you a discount at my own personalized Epic Gardening store. To Epic Gardening, I say thank you for the honor of letting me represent your brand. And to you, my gardening community, I just want to thank you for your support and honestly, just being a friend. All right, talk to you later, guys.